Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use Cash App on TikTok Shop. First, open your TikTok app and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, tap on the search bar at the top of the screen and type in what you want to buy. Let's say you're looking for books. Press search, and when the results load, look at the top for the TikTok Shop tab. If you don't see it, it could just be a glitch, or it might not be available in your region yet. But if you do see the TikTok Shop option, go ahead and tap it to start exploring the products. Now you can scroll through the listings, watch videos from sellers, and browse until you find something you like. Once you see a product you want, tap it to open the details page. From there, choose the size, quantity, or any other options the seller provides. Then tap on Buy Now to head to checkout. At this point, you'll need to switch over to Cash App. Log into your Cash App account and tap the banking icon at the bottom of the screen to check your balance. If you don't have enough funds, just add money by linking your bank account or transferring funds in. To make the payment, you'll need your Cash App Cash Card. If you don't already have one, you can order it right inside the app, and once it arrives, you'll need to activate it. When your Cash Card is ready, tap on the card image in Cash App to find your card number, expiration date, and CVC code. Copy or note down those details. Then, go back to TikTok and continue with the checkout process. When it asks how you'd like to pay, choose the debit or credit card option and enter your Cash Card information. Once you do that, the payment will go through just like using any other card, and your order will be placed. And that's basically how you can use Cash App on TikTok Shop. By the way, if you're tired of paying high fees moving money around, Wise is the best service I know. I use it myself to send and receive money with some of the lowest fees out there. Plus, you get free virtual and physical debit cards that work globally. Right now, you can grab an exclusive offer. Your first transfer up to $800 is completely free with 0 fees. Create your free Wise account today using the link below.